welcome back to my channel. A bit of a different view today. I've switched off the light because the white line. This is my studio. It's a work in progress. I'm cleaning out and I'm clearing up, but I have a very, very big collection of these English tea tins. They're made in sort of the Eastern style, but they're English made, and I don't have enough space for them anymore. So all of my other bits and pieces of nostalgic things on the very top shelf I will move today to make space for the tea stuff. So I don't only want a functional studio. It's in a loft. You can see it's tucked in the corner. So this may or may not work. You may end up just seeing a whole lot of my backside, but let's see how it goes. Then, as you can see, the collection has grown. I don't even know if this is all of them. So time for dusting. This is a wooden box. There are some paper mache boxes, and there's also some money boxes. The little ones, the square ones, are Chad Valley, also English made, but the colours match. So collectors will know. Like, this is a Chad Valley money box. Collectors will know. Sometimes you mean to collect one thing, and something else happens. So as you can see, it's a big collection. They are a bit dull, I think, without the other bits and pieces. So now I need to start arranging and getting some scale up. It's definitely not so easy for me, so to spare you a butt view, I will see what I can do and show you the after. So this is the end result. Most of them are now much more visible. I've added, that's a revolving desk calendar, and it's in perfect working condition. The ink pots still have their glass liners, but it's too bulky to use. And then I've got a couple of small holes in the corners to fill, and I'm sure I still have small ones. I'll give you an overview now. So that is the top shelf. The light makes it a bit funny. And then the two middle shelves will remain actual functional shelves, and then I'll continue working on the bottom because obviously a whole lot of things were removed now. Let me know in the comments if you like seeing studio progress and studio views, sort of more behind the scenes, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.